Good morning, guys. It is Friday morning, April 26, 2019. Welcome to the Trucker John Show. I'm here in Brenningsville. They finally got my paperwork ready for this load, so we're going to get hooked up to the trailer and head on up to Oneonta. All right, let's see the old seal. 5515 looks good. Okay, guys, we got the trailer pre-tripped. Everything looks good, seal's good. So we're gonna get our paperwork finished up and head on up to Oneonta.
Isn't it funny? We came to that. I thought I won you over, but you were holding back. Isn't it funny? You could not care less. How you took those words back, now I'm just a mess. I'm running away from escaping dreams of yesterday. Convincing me this cannot be. Trying to find another way. Yeah, I think my head always knew it, but I didn't tell my heart. Let go, I couldn't do it without falling apart. So give me something now. Oh, oh. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. So give me something now. Oh, oh. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. Isn't it funny how much you mean to me? I can't get my head around how we used to be. You said you love me, and I gave my heart. You cannot care less, you were tearing me apart. Oh, I'm running away from escaping dreams of yesterday. Oh, convincing me this cannot be. Trying to find another way. Yeah, I think my head always knew it, but I didn't tell my heart. Let go, I couldn't do it without falling apart. So give me something now. Oh, oh. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. So give me something now. Oh, oh. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. Yeah. So give me something, give me something. Give me something. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong.
customer. Should be here in a minute or two. Alright guys, we got right into the dock here. They're actually unloading me now. They're about half done already. I'll be going right home from here and be coming back out on the road Sunday afternoon sometime. Because I'm not going to go and pick up my Monday load tonight since I'm so close to home here. I might as well just go right on home. But so probably be a video on Sunday. Might be a little bit shorter one, but actually probably be a full day. Anyway, so we'll say goodbye for now, and we'll see you on Sunday. Thanks for watching me here on the Trucker John Show. Glad you could be here. Give me that big thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and come back and see us on Sunday. Take care now, everybody.
Isn't it funny?